So here we have created abc.text. Some contents are given into the abc text file. Now what we are going to do, we are going to check the contents of the file using the print function and passing the file handler object. So let me run this. So here you can see that we are getting an output io.text wrapper name abc.txt. This is the file name. Then mode, that is in which mode this file is working. So this is R. So R says that it is reading, and there is some encoding because basically this file is having an encoding parameter, right? Now if I want to access the content of the file, so there is a function called as file handler dot read. So this will try to read the contents of the file and which will try to print using the print function. So let me run this and check. So what is happening? So let's see, you can see that welcome to the Python programming is the contents of the file. If you could click on the abc.txt that we have put. Okay, so let me overwrite the contents in the file. Okay, for that case what I need to do, I need to use a W as a writing mode so that I will be able to write the contents in the file. Now to write the contents or a string, let's see, obviously I need to use a one variable called as, let's say, text. So in text I can write the new contents, welcome to write mode of the file, means we are writing the contents inside the same file. So this variable has a string called as welcome to write mode of the file. This particular string we have to pass to the file handler so that it will write into the abc.txt. Now file handler, we have to use this object dot. Now here we should use write because we are going to write the contents in the file. So write function in which we are passing the text as a parameter. So let me run the file and check what is happening. So as such the console is empty, so because we have it is running successfully as there is no error. So means what, this particular statement has been executed. And let me open the abc.txt and let me check that we are getting welcome to the write mode of the file that we have passed, and the previous content that was welcome to the Python programming is overwritten. This is what we call it as the write mode of the file, okay, which overrides the file. Let's see if there is no file as such, okay, that let's see there is no file. Let's see, I'm going to name it as xyz.txt and I want this content to be put into the xyz.txt file. So in that case, if I open it in a write mode, what will happen? Let's say I'll try to open this into the read mode. Let me check what is going to happen. So obviously for read modes I'll be using some functions called as read print file handler, read the contents of the file handler dot read. Okay, let me run this. So you can see that there is an error called as no such a file or directory because xyz is the file which is not existing, right? So that's what we are getting an error while reading, because reading says that you should have existence of the file. Now if I change this to the write says that if you don't have it, it will try to create that file and will try to overwrite the contents into that. So let me do that, but in this case I have to write the contents into files and then it is going to create it. So file handler dot write is the function where I am passing this text. So presently you can see that exyz is not there. Let me see whether it is there or it allows us to create a new file using this w mode. So it is running successfully. As such, we have not got any error. Now here you can see that xyz.txt file is created and the contents that you have successfully kept into this file. Welcome to the write mode of the file. This is what we call read and write mode of the file, right? Now there is a one more mode called as append mode, where you can append the contents to the file. Let's see A, right? So here let's see, I am going to put a /n so that whatever I attempt it should go to the next line, and the same things I am going to do. Let me check what is going to happen, and let me change the contents. Appended data, right? Now let me run this file, because now here there is the write append is also one kind of write operation, so we are not going to change it as append, so it is the same. And let me run this file and let me check what happens. So it is running successfully. Let me open this file. Here you can see that welcome to the write mode of the file was the previous content, and the next the another content which is added called as appended.data, because the file operation was append in the mode of append, and because of that it was appended the data without overwriting the previous contents. So this is append, and the same function of the object file handler.write which we have successfully used. So these are the three basic operations of the files. So now we will go with more operations of the file using some looping statements, some read line and write line functions, and any other special functions which are available, which are related to the file object in the next session.